Hello, my name is Pawan Chandrasekhar and today's my topic is technical and the subtopic is multi-threading. So let's understand what exactly the multi-threading is. Multi-threading is what are the type of multi-threading and what is the use of multi-threading in a Java. So first of all, let's understand what is thread. So thread is nothing but a lightweight sub-process. It is the smallest unit of processing and thread is the smallest unit of processing. Also thread is a lightweight and the thread it is about thread. So what is multi-threading? Multi-threading is nothing but executing a multiple task simultaneously. It is nothing but a multi-threading. So we use multi-threading for doing multiple executing multiple threads at a time. It's like if you take an example of operating systems, like we perform multiple operations in a operating system. Like we can use Microsoft Word, we can use Microsoft Excel, we can use Microsoft PowerPoint at the same time. So we can do multiple tasks at the same time without affecting any task on each other. That is about the multi-threading. So multitasking. So same concept is applied to the multi-threading. So here we use every task independently and separately, and all tasks and no any task interrupt to each other. That is about the multi-threading. So my multi-threading is a lightweight sub-process. It is the smallest unit of processing. Thread is independent, and if there is occurrence of one thread, then it doesn't affect on the another thread. So that is about the multi-threading. So multi-thread, there are subtopic also. So in a multi-threading there is one subtopic, that is multitasking. So in a multitasking is nothing but performing multiple tasks in a same simultaneously is a multitasking. In a multitasking is of two types. One is a class based one is a process based multitasking, and second one is a thread based multitasking. We call them multi-processing and multi-threading. So in a multi-threading is multi-threading is used when multi-processing and multi-threading are the two subtopics. So in a multi-processing is a heavyweight processing, while multitasking is a lightweight processing. In a multi-processing, we process multiple we process multiple process at the same time, while in multi-threading we process multiple threads in a same time. It is about multi-processing and it is multi-threading. Now let's understand how the thread is created, or how we can achieve multi-threading. So there are two ways to create a thread. That is, one is by extending class and by extending class by thread and implementing runnable interface. So these are the two methods to create thread. So let's understand first one, that is by extending class. So by using extending class, first we have to create one class. That is, let's take an example like class multi extend b. So in this class we will take one method, that is run, and in this run method, if just simply sys out one statement, that is thread is runnable. So now we create one class, and now in main class we create object of that class, like multi dot t1 equal to new multi and thread, and t1 equal to start. So we can directly access to the class, and the program will execute, and the output will be like thread is runnable. So by extending class, we extend thread. So in thread there is one method, that is run method. But run method just start the execution of thread, but not performing actual execution. So the actual execution is performed by the start method. Next method is by implementing runnable interface. So let's understand the example of runnable interface. So in runnable interface, similarly we take one class and it implement by runnable method. It's like we take one class, that is class multi implements runnable, and then inside it we take one method, that is public void main run, and then inside runnable method we take one one sysout statement, that is thread is done. So now if we want to call this method in a main method, then we simply create one object, that is multi m1 equal to thread. But when we use runnable interface, then that's time there is only run method, but for actual performing we need start method. So we have to create one thread, and we have to create one object, and we have to show that to perform this method we have to execute run method. So we will take one thread, that is thread t1 equal to new thread, and we will indicate inside that the object created m1, we will show inside that thread object, so that we can use start method. So now we will take like t1 dot start equal to t1 dot start and method, and then as in that way we can create a threads. That is first one was by extending thread class, and next one was by implementing a runnable method. So this is how we create thread. So this is about the multi-threading, multitasking, multiprocessing. So this is about the multi-threading. Thank you so much.